you want to start the haul? Say hi guys, I'm Toledo. Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys my last thrift haul of the season slash last thrift haul indefinitely. Obviously thrifting is not top of mind right now with everything going on, and I hope you guys are all staying safe and home if you can. But I want to show you guys a few pics of some things that I managed to thrift while we were in Florida. We actually went to Florida in the beginning of March-ish, before like everything got like super crazy. I actually filmed this video previously, but so much has happened from now till then, and I just wanted to preface this by saying I hope you guys are all doing okay, and I am thinking of you. And we're gonna start the haul. Okay, bye Toledo. See you later. I'm gonna have some vlog clips while we were in Florida. I just also want to preface this again by saying we are not there right now. It is not advised to travel. I would not be traveling anytime soon, but I hope you guys enjoy some of these clips because they're really fun, and just it brings me to a good time with my friends. And the last time I was actually able to spend time with my friends, so these clips kind of just make me happy, so I hope you guys enjoy it. The great thing about Florida is that there are so many thrift stores, guys. There are so many thrift stores. You could find so many amazing things. I actually happened to find 2 pairs of designer shoes while I was there, which was absolutely crazy. But yeah, I went with Haley, Sarah, and Annie, and it was just like the best girls trip ever. We had such an awesome time. If you guys want to see what I wore while I was there, I'm gonna have that video linked up in the card somewhere. It was so fun. First thing I have here is actually this beautiful Ralph Lauren oversized shirt. This is actually in a size large men's, and it is so cute. I don't know if any of you guys follow the mood board Sporty and Rich, but like I absolutely have been loving that vibe right now. And this is such an easy shirt. You can like throw it over a bikini, you could throw it on with a pair of shorts and a pair of loafers, and it looks hella cute. I just really like this. I think it's awesome. I think that this was like $2 if I'm not mistaken. It was really inexpensive. Onward and upward, we went to the store called World Thrift, and my golly guys, I've been there before with Sarah and Annie, and it was insane last time, and I did not expect anything but insanity this time. It's basically this, it's like the Costco of thrifting. It is a massive thrift store. It's the most overwhelming place. Everything is super discounted. You can also find some overstock items there as well. I actually managed to pick up a couple things from there. The first thing is this really cute little dress. This is originally from Love Soap. This is like obviously originally meant to be worn as a nightgown, but I felt like it gave me this like Princess Polly vibe. It looks a lot like certain things online right now, except this was like really inexpensive as well. The next thing I picked up from World Thrift was this bathing suit sarong, and I'm really into wearing scarves as tops lately. I think it's obviously just a really easy way to add some flair to an outfit, and it's also just a really fun, easy style. I got this, which was originally, I guess, a bathing suit sarong made out of like swimwear material, and it has 2 sides. So the first side is this really pretty like heritage looking print, and then the other side is this tie-dye, and I actually wore this on my trip there with a little denim skirt. It was so cute. You can also wear this in your hair, and I think it would be so adorable for summer. And then the last thing, Haley actually found me these. She knows my shoe size, so she saw these and she's like, Rach, I saw these Stuart Weitzmans. I think they're gonna fit you. And she was literally my shoe fairy godmother that day. Haley is literally my fairy godmother. She found my, look what she found. We live in Toronto. It is quite noisy outside, but I'm just gonna try to get through this as efficiently as possible for all of you. These are it. These are still the price tag on it. They were $19.99, and Stuart Weitzman, they have this beautiful, like, what am I trying to say here? Like acrylic heel, and they literally look like Cinderella slippers. If you tell from the bottom, they've barely been worn. I have a feeling this was the type of situation where if someone tried these on and they did not fit properly, but they still bought them. But they're so pretty, a 6.5, and so dainty on the foot. Like, look at the straps, guys. These are like so beautiful. We wanted to celebrate Sarah's birthday while we were there, so we did like a little birthday day for her, and one of the activities that we wanted to do that day was tie-dyeing. So we told her ahead of time, and we wanted to all make sure that we got enough white items to tie-dye. So this is like a little mini like transformation. I know tie-dye is such a huge thing right now, especially while we're all inside, but yeah, I hope this gives you guys some inspiration. So the first piece I picked up was a pair of white denim, and these were originally from Calvin Klein. They're so cute. They're really fun, and I got them because they were 100% cotton and the fit was really good. The thing about tie-dyeing is that the like natural fibers tend to pick up the dye a lot better, so I tried to stick to things that were mostly cotton. And then I decided to tie-dye them like a pair of denim I saw in Free People. They were so cute, but also kind of expensive, especially for something that's a little bit trendy. I think I picked these up for $5 to $10, like something super inexpensive. If you guys have watched my video where Dylan picks out my outfits, you would have seen these already, but they are so adorable. I may actually still distress these just because I feel like they still need something more, but let me know if I should just leave them alone or not. The next thing I tie-dyed, I actually re-tie-dyed when I was back at home because this was a polyester piece. It wasn't 100% silk, but I picked up this beautiful slip that I actually already wore on my Instagram, and it was just like an ivory off-white color, and I felt like, oh, if I keep the dye on a little bit longer, it's gonna stick. Long story short, it didn't. I did like a lavender, baby blue, and it's so pretty. And like, I'm one of those people that like wearing slips out in public. Obviously this one's sheer at the top, so it will need some like bra situation going on here, but this is so pretty. The last thing I wanted to tie-dye was just like an oversized men's shirt. Annie showed me this inspo, and it was so cool. It was just basically this like sunburst of tie-dye on this like traditional men's shirt, and I love that juxtaposition. So we decided to do some men's shirt tie-dye, and this is how mine turned out. This was 100% cotton as well, so I actually re-dyed it when I was home because it felt very faded. So what I ended up doing on the back was this, and like, guys, like, this is sick. I cannot believe how well this turned out. It is beautiful, it is one of a kind, and again, over like a white bikini and like wearing a scrunchie in your hair, like, I feel like that's so cute. So this is something that I will treasure. And then I also have this sweater. This was like $3, and if you were to go to like some sort of like sports like resell like shop or vintage shop, this would have been so much more. This is a Miami Dolphin sweater that I picked up at one of the thrift stores we went to. This is so cute, and like, I've already worn it out. It's so cozy, really fun. I love finding crew necks at the thrift store. So speaking of a new sweatsuit, I actually had this one from my Misguided haul. This is not like really thrifty, but I really want to show you guys since I'm showing you all my tie-dye stuff here. I had this white Misguided sweatsuit. I loved it in white, but I have so many sweatsuits, especially white. I figured, like, why not try to mix it up? Actually, I put the whole transformation on my TikTok as well as my Instagram. This turned out so cute, and I was shocked again because this is not 100% cotton, but the dye took really weirdly well. What I managed to do was this just like bright colored sweatsuit, which is super fun. There's a brand called Cotton Citizen, and they do similar things to this, and I just think that this is adorable. Rounding it up here with 2 pairs of shoes. First pair was actually gifted by Converse for our trip, so I felt like it was suitable for this video. They are this leopard pair, and I wore them on the plane. I wore them like all around Miami. They are just so freaking cute. The thing is about these is that even though the pattern is quite loud, it is still like kind of a neutral, which is so great. Guys, spoiler alert, I thrifted Chanel. Like, seriously, we went to this consignment store, so not exactly thrift, but I felt like this was just like insane. Like, I could not believe that I found these for such a good price. I believe they were listed as like $80 or something like that. They were really inexpensive for Chanel, and in the condition that they're in. They are these beautiful satin Chanel heels, and they are so gorgeous. They're my size, again, barely worn, as you guys can see from the bottom, and the heel is in really great shape. But guys, like, look at these. Like, these are so beautiful. Like, I love these so much. They're already on my Instagram. I cannot wait to style these for a more fancier occasion. Maybe I'll wear them on my birthday this summer. Like, I don't know, but like, they're just so beautiful. Probably the best thing I have ever found, vintage, pre-owned, anything for the price that they were. But yeah, like we went to this really awesome consignment store. Sarah actually picked up a pair of heels as well. These are everything. Okay guys, that is the end of my last thrift haul indefinitely till things hopefully get back to normal at some point. Of course there's like online thrift and stuff like that, or you can go on Depop and stuff like that to get your thrift fix, but I have so many clothes and a lot to like organize already, so this will definitely be my last thrift haul for a bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which piece was your favorite, and I hope you are staying healthy and safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone!